Hello everybody, ici votre gars NBUno. On se retrouve encore pour une nouvelle vidéo dans le mode My Career sur NBA 2K20. Et comme vous le savez, peut-être vous n'allez pas le voir, mais on a été drafté par notre premier choix. Et si vous avez vu la vidéo complète, vous savez c'était quoi notre premier choix. Je vais vous laisser découvrir les hits de Miami, qui était mon premier choix. C'est là que j'ai été drafté. Et là, on s'en va en NBA Summer League. Ça va être du lourd. Je me rappelle en 2017, quand je regardais le NBA Summer League, où Lonzo a été MVP Bref, on va pas... Los Angeles Lakers avait gagné, puis that's it. Wouh! Il est beau! Avec ma nouvelle coupe en or, you know what I'm saying? Hmm. Hmm. Eh ben, si on me demande pourquoi j'ai choisi les Heat pour mon premier choix, parce que c'est tout simplement une équipe historique pour moi. Ils ont gagné la NBA avec autant de... Bref, je vais vous donner mes raisons pourquoi j'ai d'abord pris. Parce que, un, les Heat, ils ont pas un point de garde de renommée, fait que je sais déjà que ici, j'aurai ma place. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire? Je sais déjà qu'à Miami, j'aurai une place de starter facilement et je serai le point de garde de l'équipe. Après, voilà, je ne veux pas vous détailler tout ce qu'a fait Miami Heat en NBA. Ils ont gagné la NBA avec LeBron, Wade. euh, ils ont gagné avec LeBron, Wade, Mario Chalmers et tous ces vedettes, Chris Bosh. Fait que pour moi, vraiment, commencer une saison, c'était commencer un mode carrière là. C'est pour ça que j'ai pris Miami Heat là en premier. Puis même si ça aurait été mon deuxième choix qui était le Boston Celtics, ça m'aurait intéressé. Puis même si c'était le troisième choix qui était les Toronto Raptors, j'aurais toujours été content. Mais vraiment, on a fait un bon combine et vraiment jouer pour les Heat de Miami, il y aurait pas mieux pour moi dans un début en fait. C'est une équipe avec laquelle tous les espoirs me seront permis, you know. C'est vrai que j'ai aucune vedette là dans l'équipe. Je vois pas de Jimmy Butler, rien. Ils sont plus là ou whatever. Mais pour jouer et avoir du temps de jeu, je pense que on se sent vraiment dans le code là parce que tu écoutes tout ce que les gars se disent quasiment. Le terrain est vide là, tu vois. Bien joué. Ah, il a bien joué, il a bien tiré. Damn, juste à jouer avec les gars de Miami, c'est déjà dur, man. Fait que là, ils s'entraînent pour la Summer League ou ça doit être ça, ouais. Puis mon jeu, il peut pas encore prendre les rebonds, je sais pas vraiment. Il est trop court apparemment. Oh my god. Mais ça va aller, c'est sûr, on va l'améliorer, on va, you know. J'ai même envie de gagner mon titre NBA là, dès la première saison, mais est-ce que ce serait possible? Merde. Ce serait pas du pain chaud, hein. Donne-la, donne-la. Oh merde, c'est un 2 points. Yes. Still, still. C'est ça aussi un point de God, c'est être confiant, you know. Parce que la plupart du temps, l'équipe. Oh my god. Les gars, un peu de defense là. Moi, je mets de la pression, j'essaie de style la balle. Crime. Wouh! Oh my god. Ah, c'est que c'était une belle action là. Ah, il va shoot. Ah, merde, merde, merde. Let's go, vite, vite, vite. N1, N1. Oh. J'aurais pu le style et on aurait gagné la game. Laissez-le un peu shoot là, ou bien double team, double team. Ah, c'est mon joueur en plus, tabarnak. Pour le voir, mon joueur là, il est bon dans les crosses. S'il vous plaît. Ouh, bucket, bucket, bucket. Égalité. Qui va gagner? Les gars, on le double team. Ouh. Fini. Yes. Comment ils veulent me finir avec un buzzer? Ils sont fous, hein? Off. I win it. Ah, man, we win, and we win, and we win, and we win. Whew. That's how we do. Sois plus sérieux pour le ouais, man. Arrête de faire des. Stand up for yourself. Ignore and keep playing. Ignore. Bro, c'est le coach, man. C'est le coach, frère. Je peux pas. C'est ça, man. Des fois, il faut que tu la fermes un peu, t'écoutes le coach, that's it. Parce qu'à la fin, là, moi, je vais être starter, you know. Je vais avoir du temps de jeu, man. Mhm. Pourquoi il devait te le dire? Tag. Oh, deux. On continue dans la Summer League. Premier match de NBA Summer League. Je suis même pas stadieux. Déjà à la Summer League, je suis même pas stadieux. Ça va être chaud. Et le quart, c'est 4 minutes. Man, à 5 minutes le carton, c'est quand même chaud, hein. J'aurais pu mettre 12 là. Oh my god. Puis je sais pas si je vais pouvoir en mettre 12. Tu vois, il m'a même pas rentré. Il m'a même pas encore rentré, on perd par 10. Puis c'est la mi-temps, merde. Yo, les cartons, frère, je pense que je veux. Parce que si j'augmente pas la durée de temps d'un carton, frère, on va. D-Wood qui va même pas me faire jouer. Frère, il m'a même pas fait jouer. Puis on a perdu. Je suis dégoûté, man. Tu sais comment lui-même il est dégoûté. Yo, c'est quoi cette merde? Il m'a pas fait jouer la game. Man, yo, qu'est-ce que ce coach-là a contre moi, man? C'est Summer League, là? Yo, c'est incroyable. Man, j'ai pas joué avec les Heat. Une équipe que... Yo, imagine je serais allé chez les Lakers ou... Wow, j'aurais jamais joué, là. Bon, je pense qu'on va essayer d'augmenter un peu la progression, améliorer le joueur, là. Parce qu'imaginons que je joue, il faut pas que... Oh my god. Puis c'est cher, hein? Yo, j'ai pas le choix, man. J'achète close shoot. J'ai envie d'être ce point guard là, man. Pour de vrai, pour de vrai, pour de vrai. Dis-moi pas que je commence encore. Bon, là j'entre à... Ok. Hein, même le journaliste l'a dit, j'ai pas vu le terrain dans le premier contest. Allez, Ruban. Oh merde. Pour le reste, j'aime bien le reportage, les commentaires, qu'est-ce qu'ils racontent. Oh, turnover. Oh my god. Dis-moi pas qu'il va me... Ok. C'est chaud, les amis. C'est vraiment comme si tu es en Summer League, là. Yo!
That alone is enough to have questions asked to the team. Something is very fishy about the situation overall.
That's too easy a chance to miss, guys. He's got to be more aggressive on his finishes.
Shot and game clock separated by 5. Jay outside. Here's Ashley. He hasn't yet put up any points in this one. He's off from 3. Pull-up jumper.
Yo, c'est pas facile comme on y pense, là. En plus, le carton, il dure trop... Je pense que je vais monter à... Bon, là, je commence le deuxième carton. Fait que là, il faut tout donner.
And the Summer League is oftentimes an opportunity for some players to, play bigger minutes and show what they can do.
Playing well in this setting can serve as a confidence booster, confirming the guys who are ready to take the next step.
Left wing. From deep 3-point. Offensive rebound.
Nice D.
No good.
En plus, je prends les rebonds.
Appeared to be an easy 2 points just went.
Vas-y, 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 vas-y.
Second shot opportunity. Oh, so close, but he drew the foul, and he'll get 2 shots at the line. For years now, the Summer League in Vegas has been held at UNLV.
Well, it's a great location, not too far from the Strip for weekend getaways for the fans. Also a great chance for locals to see top NBA talent before the season kicks off.
And the shot goes in.
Well, it's a late reaction to the defense, and he's always going to convert that.
The Heat trail. The drive by Che. Uses the glass to finish the layup. Quarter number 2 with just over a minute to play. Inside, here's Johnson. Oh, special delivery. He sends it down.
Hey, this game, it won't be close for long if they keep giving up dunks like that.
No, you're right, it won't. A
Ouvert.
glaring error defensively and letting him get all the way to the bucket.
Just need better defense.
Yeah, it's just 2 points, though. Flashy 2 points, yes, but it's still just 2 points.
Pass to Macon.
Ça veut rien dire, frère. Un point, c'est un point. Que ce soit un 2, que ce soit un 3.
Here's Bender. Covered by Che. The three-pointer, no good. Here's Hero. Looking for his first basket still in this one. Kicks it out to Che. Fires for 3. Again, Che missing.
Well, you can see the fans pouring into the center for this one. Some might just be trying to escape the heat, though.
I tell you, Tim, mid-July in Vegas is no joke. Now, I stepped outside and it felt like I walked right into a sauna. The heat is punishing outside.
Takes the 3. Another miss by Che. And Phoenix has possession. And there's a nice one-handed slam.
Going high to throw that one down.
Sky high. Fantastic one-hand jam.
Is he down yet?
Well, that was a nice way to wrap up that possession, no matter how you
Coupe,
look
coupe, coupe.
To the inside. Terrific assist and a nice finish. Just a solid play all around.
That's the kind of lead pass we've come to expect from him.
Yo, il attend quoi pour style, dog?
Tough call there and a tough break for the D.
But I don't have a problem with the call, Tim. He was still sliding in there.
Yeah, it was a close one.
And now about 3 minutes gone in the second quarter of basketball. Pass to Bridges.
And one.
almost automatic. In fact, I'll just say it, they are automatic.
Well, we talk so much about the rookies and sophomores here, but there's a good amount of undrafted rookies trying their best. To
Rebound.
start the team.
Every roster here has about one or two undrafted players who the team invited.
Oh,
Maybe they can
nice, nice, nice.
for the team. For those players, this is literally playing for their future. Wow, ferocious.
That was ferocious. Wow.
Oh man, ferocious.
Oh, yuck.
Describe that. You could say electric, exciting. I mean, there's a million different words that come to mind. But let's just say this: that's how you finish strong and wear that rim out.
And
Free
one.
throws coming up as he misses that one. Drawing the whistle on a lot of contact there.
Il va me rentrer au troisième carton ou quoi là?
Here's Jerome. Pass to Ayton. With one on the clock. First half comes to an end.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And hello again. Third quarter summer.
Troisième carton.
It's a neck and neck game in Phoenix. Well, for many of these players,
Essaye,
they're
essaye.
getting their first taste of NBA
Quand
competition.
même, c'était proche.
And it can be a shock for a lot of these players to see just how fast and physical the game is at this level.
With the offense getting right to the rim, at least they saved the layup.
Defense just telling them no easy layups, as simple as that. And I like to see it.
He hits the second from the line.
Frère, on peut pas perdre ce deuxième match,
On
man.
offense. Now here is Che. Looking to end his cold spell, and the shot is good.
The height difference there was huge, but he canceled it out with great body control in the air.
That body control right there is essential. If you're giving up a bunch of height on flat ground, then you better be good in the air.
And be able to adjust in the air, too.
Pass to Macon.
Off.
It's hauled in by Bolden. And here's Miami.
Yeah.
The drive by Che.
Yeah.
Side.
They're finding lanes to the hoop every time down. 5 buckets in a row from the paint.
And on the flip side, the defenders have to show more fight on the interior.
Or at least some fight.
Shea looking as comfortable as any out there right now. Clearly won't have a tough learning curve adjusting to the NBA.
Pass to Harrison. Shoots a three.
Off.
And the Suns get it back. Here's Bender. Yep, that goes.
Not enough bodies on the glass right there, and they paid for it.
And it'll happen again and again if they don't put more effort into boxing out.
And that's what it's all about, Brian. Rebound, effort.
The drive by Che. Add another make to his scoring column. His fifth basket of the game, now shooting 5 for 11. Second half here, and we're just over 3.5 minutes into it.
Pour le reste, en NBA, mettons quand le Summer League va finir, que si je peux augmenter la durée d'un carton, je le ferai là.
Here's Jerome.
C'est sûr, en jouant match par match, je ne veux pas me tanner non
Pass to
plus.
Johnson. Carter. Shot clock at 6. Here's Johnson.
Oh.
17. Count that bucket.
Perfect screen there. Set him up with a terrific look.
Yeah, but that's a bad job by the defender to not fight through that screen to contest.
You want to see more effort there.
The drive by Che. And so he earns a trip to the line. Official saw the contact, and he'll shoot 2. This is his
Yo, il a pas encore les free shots ou quoi, merde?
There's some history between Che and Coach Ames. The two had a falling out at Bay City.
Well, it would seem petty to carry that.
Oh, j'ai cru que je l'avais steal for real.
You can't rule out the possibility.
Yeah, je l'ai steal for real.
Stolen by Che.
Ah, choke, choke, choke,
The Suns with the lead.
choke.
Here's Jerome.
Choke, c'était l'occasion de mettre mon name dans la game là, que grâce à moi ils ont pris le lead, merde.
He's got 11.
C'est parti, t'as cross deux. Merde!
To the paint.
Comment il peut cross deux joueurs? Yeah.
And it's Shea picking up the assist.
He's just flipped a switch at halftime.
Yo, vite, 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 lui on le double team, lui.
Second half.
And the foul called on
Pas
Shea.
grave, pas grave. Oh my god, il me rentre à une. Ok, on est en train de mener là. Il faut juste que je gère la game alors.
Here's a Kobo. Shea grabs the miss.
Great defense right there to prevent one of the best finishers in the league from converting in close.
Inside. Here's Robinson.
Voilà, maintenant on va jouer comme ça, simple là, parce qu'on mène quand même de beaucoup.
Probably already an insurmountable lead. I think they'll be leaving here
Comme
with a
là,
win.
je peux coller un
Imagine any other outcome than the one that's staring us right in the face.
Bridges.
off.
And that one good.
That's how to orchestrate for your teammate. Terrific pass.
If you're just tuning in, welcome. We've played about 3.5 minutes into the fourth quarter here.
Well, one of the highlights of the summer for the NBA, obviously, the Summer League. Been that way for quite some time.
Vite.
Phoenix grabs the miss.
Not quite enough defense that time around. Lucky he was off.
I hope that was a mistake by the D, because if that's how they plan to guard him, they're going to have some problems.
To the left side wing.
Quand même, NBA c'est dur, hein. C'est pas collège ou.
5 on the clock. And the Suns get it back.
Multiple possessions have been the story of the game, and even with the big lead, this team continues to be quicker to the basketball.
And here's Shea.
Puis même c'est cross. Comme c'est cross, veut pas, ils font la job là, you know. Ah,
Tries to break his ice.
nice.
And that's 2 points on the layup.
They've done a great job keeping this crowd out of the game today. And as they get closer to the win, it's really getting quiet.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot for them to be cheering about anymore. Their guys got taught a
Pour de vrai,
lesson.
fais pas de faute. Comme ça, au moins, tu vas finir.
It's
hein.
9 seconds separating the shot clock and the game clock. That's tipped. Pass to Akpala.
Shoot, man.
Shea outside. Here's the three. The shot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Well, final horn and another great game here in Vegas.
13,5 rebonds, 3 assists. Ouh, 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 ouh. Tu, 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 tu. Ouh, ouh, ouh. Tu, 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 tu. Ouh, ouh, ouh. Tu, 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 tu. Un, 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 un. Et oui, les amis, pour notre premier on a quand même fait une petite. On s'est quand même un peu démarqué, frère. On a vu que les 3 points, c'est pas notre point fort.
How's he doing?
Fewer tears today. Then again, we were doing pool work, so the water may have been flushed.
You be able to maintain that Stacy leaves? You know that's what I do. I manage.
Putting together a program for him. I expect him to be back on the court by January.
Just in time to regain that tall waiting crowd. You want some tips, man? That backyard must be hella so special.
You had some good minutes today.
Why you tripping for?
All right. Great practice, fellas. Look, so tip-off at 6:30 tonight. Against Brownsville switching lineups to get some other guys a little more time. So starting tonight, Kennedy, Wilson, all right, Ashley, Simmons, and Bryant.
Oh, première titularisation en NBA Summer League. On va être starter, on va être starter. On espère tout donner pour gagner la game.
Back on my feet, thanks to you, big fella.
Crap.
Yeah, it's gonna be quiet around here without your lip. It's playoff time, man. Can't handle distractions. That's how you play. I would say
What thing I can do can go broke.
wait, you guys are leaving together? You know my Steve P.
Gross. Got an interview with Pelicans on Tuesday.
You serious? What stage? That's huge. You don't even want to know when she returns. Mom, she'll be thrilled.
It's just an interview, you guys.
No, it's not. Okay.
Stay Che, alright?
Definitely.
Let's do this.
Hey, I'll check on you, alright? Make sure you stay on schedule. I know you will. Hey, yo. Love you, fam. Always.
You already know. So, ça c'est la game où on va être titulaire, j'imagine, parce que le coach nous l'a déjà informé. Let's go.
Jay. What? Jay. What's going on here? Go ahead and close that door. You're getting it started tonight. Thanks, coach. Oh, you earned it. I know, shit, me on the first day of practice wasn't easy. Can't lie, it was a bit of a surprise. I bet. You know, I started coaching because of kids like you. Kids who truly believe in the concept of team, put others above themselves. Push you.
Hmm.
Respected what you did as a reporter. The fact that I couldn't do it myself. The fact that I succumbed to the power, to the pressure of my job. It made me ill. I want you to know that I wasn't asked to resign. I chose to. That team is like that. I want you to do me a favor. What's that? I want you to go out there and get us this dub. I got you, coach. Do it again, coach.
Haha. On espère qu'on va gagner ce troisième match d'NBA Summer League. Premier, on n'a pas joué. Deuxième, on a joué un peu. Troisième, on est starter. N'est-ce pas formidable?
All right.
Starter pack. Oh! Oh, l'autre, il est là avec le Minnesota.
Underway. I'm Blake Zuniga here with Tim Swartz and Brian Banafasemi.
Going at it here with the Summer League crown on the line. A lot of great young talent here on both sides.
Là, c'est les matchs où je dois tout donner, là.
few surprises in this game, one of which is Shea.
Yeah, now he's been a big story during this summer league, and he'll be one to watch in what should be a great championship matchup.
And we look at both these teams, clearly have had some great showings so far in Summer League.
They both followed the same sort of path. Slow starts at first, but once the rookies got going, they have been on a roll throughout the
Avec les Pumas au pied, frère.
So 1 for 2 that time at the stripe. Pass to Walden. 4-3. Here's Vanderbilt. Rips it down.
Doubled up that rebound and went straight into attack mode in the putback.
He's one of the most determined rebounders we've got in the league.
Get out of his way.
Yeah, please get out of his way and let him do his work. And you know, he gets so many second chance points because of how hard he works, and that's why the coaches and his teammates admire him.
Sinks the three-pointer.
Some players,
Nice shot!
he's not one of them. Terrible job by the defense.
Covered by Che. AW on the wing. Nice shot from the wing.
His presence as a scorer has a calming effect for them. He's a fallback option whenever they need one.
Che outside.
Oh! Wow! Il a déjà cette intelligence-là. Il passe entre trois personnes et il met la balle.
See rookies
Incroyable.
take on a bigger role.
Well, most of these guys aren't going to get nearly as many shots or touches in the regular season, but they can learn to lead and put these teams on their shoulders here in a game like this.
Fait que ce boy-là, c'est un shooter.
Open three, they need much better communication defensively.
C'est parti.
And they get it back.
Black! Esti.
And first quarter of action, 2 minutes in. Now here is Evans. Not a lot of room.
Let's go. Fast break.
Defending. And Che.
Oh, il est capable de dunk! Je savais pas. Je savais pas.
And a performance I enjoyed.
If you're just tuning in, we've played about 2.5 minutes here in the first.
Nice. Nice.
Forward.
On se calme, on se calme, on se calme, on se calme.
Robinson. Covered by Evans. Fires from deep.
Mais là, j'étais open.
Rebound. Minnesota trailing. Outside Walden. Pass to Evans. Here's Vanderbilt. Down to 5 on the shot.
Hein?
And the Timberwolves miss again.
Bon, on est déjà à C+, c'est pas mal. On va essayer de faire au moins un A, man. C'est une game où on est starter, on va essayer de faire au moins un A, man. Ça va être dur, mais on peut essayer.
Watch him operate. And that's what it looked like the D was doing there. Just sitting back and watching.
Rebound.
Covered. Here's Evans. He hasn't yet put up any points in this one. Drive.
Yo, ça va tellement vite, frère.
There's not enough coverage, basically none. Defense does not look good there.
And winning in the summer league might not mean as much, but it does set a good culture for the team.
Oh, absolutely. And you want to have your young guys play with the expectation that winning matters. And I see both of these teams going as hard as they can here.
Mon gars, c'est un vrai point guard, frère. Il est chaud.
Yeah, 4
Il est chaud dans ce domaine-là.
to the middle
Mais il est con ou quoi?
and out of bounds. The Timberwolves.
Il me la demande dans les airs, je lui mets dans les airs, il peut pas donc. Deuxième carton à 3 minutes. Top, c'est parti.
2 minutes now played in this second quarter.
Yeah.
So the defense really not organized on inbound play. They paid for it with that three. Well, the leadership of Shea has been on display here during this tournament. He's been a big factor.
Let's go.
Well, Shea
il dunk de la gauche comme de la droite.
Carries over into the
Let's go.
and spending 4 years at Bay City has given him experience beyond the hardwood.
They double him with Jay to the paint. And they immediately answer back with a dunk on the other end.
This game, it won't be close for long if they keep giving up dunks like that.
No, you're right, it won't. A glaring error defensively and letting him get all the way to the bucket.
Just need better defense.
Yeah, it's just 2 points though. Flashy 2 points, yes, but it's still just
Ah, il m'a pas vu ou quoi?
Here's Aquala. Still getting warmed up offensively. No buckets yet in the game for him.
Mais il est con ou quoi? Pourquoi il veut que je fasse une stratégie que je veux pas?
Very close in a lot of areas. There's rebounding.
24-24, faut avouer là, c'est chaud.
effort and determination on the glass. They really can
Allez, double team. Bien. Vite, vite.
It falls for his 7th bucket of the contest. He's 7 for 9 today.
Another lead change. How many of these are we going to see?
I don't know, but I'm willing to bet it's more than a few.
Pass to Ellenson.
Off, off, off. Rebound. Yo, mon joueur est nul encore pour prendre les rebounds, for real.
Shot's not there for you. You've got to be the guy to recognize that.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm not quite sure what his mindset was.
Pour le reste, on est capable de marquer 20 points ou... Avec le temps qu'on joue dans le carton, frère. Je pense que je vais le laisser pour pas me tanner parce que, frère, mon joueur il est bon. Là, en ce temps-là, il est déjà capable d'inscrire 20 points.
Just explode onto the scene. Seems to happen every year.
Pas besoin de mettre le carton 12 minutes d'abord.
Lets it go from the wing. It's hauled in by Bolden.
Well, the shot was there for him. He had to take it. I don't care if he didn't convert. He should take that shot.
And one.
Single.
Ah, yo, c'était trop bien.
Defensive effort. Rebound.
Right now, a close game for Miami. Covered by Jay. Pass to Ellenson. Another miss for him. Now shooting 1 for 4 from the floor.
He's been off his game this quarter. Just hasn't been able to get a hold.
Yes.
And it's good. 2 points.
On est capable de mettre 20 points avec le temps de, je crois, c'est 4 minutes le carton ou 6 minutes. Fait que c'est top.
Not been able to keep up.
C'est top, c'est top.
Here's Spellman.
Et j'ai vraiment le style de point guard que je voulais. Ah,
High arcing shot. That one, no good.
yes.
Heat on top. They're up by 6. And don't go away after.
21.0 rebond, 0 assist, c'est pas grave. On peut pas tout faire, hein.
Third quarter summer. Pleasure to have you with us.
And the summer league is often
Ok, le carton c'est 5 minutes, comme disait. Si avec des cartons de 5 minutes fait qu'une durée complète de 20 minutes, on est Oh my God! On est capable de rentrer 20 points, c'est top, hein, en 20 minutes.
Well, although Summer League started rough for Che, he seems
Mais ça aussi, je comprends, c'est la Summer League, là, c'est pas encore la NBA. Ben, c'est déjà la NBA, mais c'est la Summer League, you know?
To the right side. Down low.
Nice joué, bien joué.
Authority.
that's one of the most basic set plays in the book, guys. Not to mention one of the best.
The pick frees him up, and the dunk caps it off.
Thing of beauty.
It's all about positioning and anticipation on those screen plays, and they nailed it right there.
Yeah, after the reports that he and Coach Ames have buried the issues they've had in the past, he's been a large part of that team.
And it's an issue that both Ames and Jay needed to come together on. And, you know, end
Vas-y, shoot.
And it's Vanderbilt with the rebound.
There wasn't a ton of congestion in the lane. He could have done better, for sure. A nice start to the second half. Just one miss in their first 5 attempts.
And here's Che. 23 points in the game. Rejected by AW.
C'est dur, hein? Pas facile. Bon, quatrième carton au début, nice. Fait qu'il veut vraiment qu'on gagne la game, là. Il veut vraiment que je sois un élément.
Che.
Yeah.
A nice conclusion to a good-looking possession. Coach has got to be happy about that one.
The Timberwolves trailing. They double him with Che. Evans with the ball. Pass to Reed. The kick out to Walden. Launches it. The Heat pull it in. And since Che has been getting regular run with this team, they've been very hot.
The whole team just flipped the switch with him, and they've been
Nice.
a powerhouse in the league ever since he's gotten more minutes.
Their three-point shooting really since halftime has been about as good as you could ask for.
And now's the time for them to step on the gas pedal. You know, put your blinker on, get into the fast lane, and keep firing those deep balls and build that lead up.
Watch the speed limit, though.
Che inside. Pass to Bolden. Yes, and it's Che picking up the assist.
They're not rotating quickly enough on defense down low.
They've got to provide more resistance inside.
And they've been struggling here offensively.
Bit of a dry spell for sure.
Now here's Walden. Here's Reed, covered by Che. Now here is Evans. He's covered closely. Reed gets the bucket.
Even though it went down, that's not the kind of shot they should be settling for. Just look at the coach's face.
Here's Robinson. And the basket is good.
Je suis à B. Est-ce qu'on peut aller chercher... Non, pour... Chercher un A serait dur quand même.
Possession here.
Au moins un B+, là, si je peux, ce serait déjà pas mal.
Che. And there it is.
Tu vois, c'est en 5 minutes de carton, donc en 20 minutes, on est capable de rentrer 3 points, frère. Et la game est animée. Je vois pas pourquoi je devrais augmenter la taille d'un carton. Frère, on finit toujours, you know.
It was a lottery pick and Che wasn't. Che has
C'est pas toujours ce que l'on dit.
Che is playing like he's got a chip, a big one, on his shoulder.
Là, je suis à B.
Feels he's every bit as good as AW and is trying to make a point on the score.
Il a vu. Coupe.
puts it up for
Nice. Nice.
Miami again with the bucket.
And now this is just getting ridiculous. They can't possibly keep this up much longer.
When was the last time they missed, Tim? This is just a remarkable shooting display.
They're putting on a clinic.
C'est quand la dernière fois qu'on n'a pas rentré le shoot? On va voir si c'est pas moi.
And it's Vanderbilt with the rebound.
You can just tell he thought that triple was going to fall.
Boy, I mean, he's just shaking his head after that miss.
Outside Walden. The 11-footer. And it's off the back of the rim. No good. Now here's Che. D right on him. Out to the wing.
Shoot.
Over to the wing. Makes it off the glass. Now a timeout called by Minnesota.
Wow, je les ai gérés, man. Il m'a mis sur le banc. Fait qu'on finit avec un B. Mais on a gagné la game, c'est qui est top. Oh my god, il m'a laissé finir ma game. Il reste 28 secondes. Est-ce que je pourrais gratter un B+, vous croyez, les gens? Je crois pas trop, hein, quand même. À part si je lag un buzzer tree, là, you know?
Difference from the shot clock and game clock.
Ce qui est peu probable. Mais je vais essayer de... En plus, le B, il descend déjà, même.
The inside.
Il va descendre encore plus ou quoi, merde.
Check out that assist. That's a pair of teammates on the same page.
Pass to Che.
On va essayer de faire un forcing parce qu'on a augmenté mon affaire de shoot.
Goes up at the elbow. He can't get it to go.
On finit avec un B, là.
By a big margin. It's in the books, folks. Here are your Vegas Summer League champions.
32 points, frère. C'est déjà énorme. On garde une moyenne comme ça, on est peut-être le meilleur en NBA. C'est énorme, frère. C'est énorme. J'ai rien à dire, c'est énorme. Grrr, money, 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 money. On a remporté le Summer League. Pour vrai. Hmm. Lourd, 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 lourd. How are you? Ouh. Jet privé Zinché. Oh. C'est vraiment une saison où je fais des bons shots parce que là, woo, 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 woo. Welcome to the 2K19, 2K20 NBA season, baby!